There's the Wells Fargo Center. And here we have the garage elevators at the Gallivan Center.
Gallivan Center level.
It smells good out here. It smells like barbecue food.
It smells like city to me.
And it smells like cleaning fluid in the elevator. Not as good of a smell.
Much better smell in the elevator.
These are pretty rare northern US combo hybrid elevators. You don't see that really. R. Geez, look at the box that camera's in. That is ridiculous. What the heck? That is so goofy.
You could fit Sam's head in that.
Literally, you could just put an entire security guard in there.
I mean, the one in the elevator is much smaller.
Nice. I love that chime. It's just so loud and obnoxious. It nudged. Hurry, get in, hurry, squeeze. We gotta get in here. Tar.
For residential floor.
Yeah, what does R mean?
Maybe road.
Yeah, road, but usually that would be S for street.
Well, what if they're different here? You know, you're not Europeans, Utah people, maybe they like road.
It's Mormon nomenclature. Anyway, that will be all.